Hey guys, my name is Guinto from dinonlinepitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called the 21 Golden Bundle. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the 21 Golden Bundle works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 8th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the 21 Golden Bundle when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the 21 Golden Bundle. Now to put this briefly, this product is a bundle of some of the most prized products, and they were best sellers. And also being the Christmas season and a time for sharing, the creators of this product have decided to give buyers out in the bundle at an unbelievable price now. So this is what you'll be getting when you pick up 21 Golden Bundle. Now you're gonna get 10 great products. You're gonna learn from the top marketers with this program here, and this is a $1,247 of value if purchased individually. So which means once you purchase this, 10 of the bundle inside of this program is only a low price, which I will cover later. And also, this is everything a newbie could possibly need. You're gonna learn and then start a new business today with this program and never need to buy another course again, because you're gonna get all this bundle, 10 of them inside of this course, which I will be showing you later in this demo really quick. Not really a demo, but it's a quick walkthrough of this program. And so it is a package of the best courses and bonuses that this program had an offer through the year, and there are courses dealing with getting free and paid traffic, comes with YouTube strategies, affiliate marketing strategies, and much more inside of this program. Because you're gonna get the whole bundle, you're gonna be getting access to 10 of these bundles inside of this program. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the 21 Golden Bundle. Now December is a great time to grab yourself a bargain in the affiliate marketing space. Now you're gonna get 10 of the amazing business products. You're gonna get tools plus additional 4 fantastic bonuses included for free. Now I'm also going to be offering you my additional free bonuses as well once you decide to pick up the 21 Golden Bundle. Now this is a bargain. It's a bargain bundle to end all the bargain bundles. Now you would have to spend thousands of dollars to buy all the products individually. So take advantage of the 21 Golden Bundle and secure your bargain today, because this is going to be on sale, and for the new holiday season you can get access pretty much for each of the product inside of this bundle. Now with the holiday season, make sure to act now and get this amazing bundle for just a one-time price. Now let me show you a quick walkthrough of what is inside of the 21 Golden Bundle. So right over here, this is how you can get access to this product here. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you're gonna get or you're gonna be seeing the course content inside of this product. This is where you can get the intro videos copy. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, so you'll see what is inside of the intro videos. As you can see here, this is the intro video, so you can go ahead and hit play inside of this video, and again a welcome video right here that you can hit and play and watch, and also another third video of the welcome video inside of the 21 Golden Bundle. This is over here. If you scroll down there, this is where you can join the Facebook group, and right down here is where you can subscribe to the YouTube channels of the 3 of the creators of this program: Neller's YouTube channel, Wilson's YouTube channel, and also Arenz's YouTube channel. So all 3 of them combine this product so they can create the Golden Bundle for you to get access to these products for the holiday season of the holiday season sale going on for this. And so it's pretty much a deal, in my opinion. You're gonna be learning affiliate marketing strategies, all this money making strategies inside of this program. So don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channels. Right down here is where you can watch the free workshop, Build a 10K per month business live in 20 days. So number 4 is for a quick 10K product. Check out the link below, so you can go ahead and click on this. So if you want to move on to the next lesson, you can click over here. As you can see here, this is on the left side is where you can get access to the product bundle. So let's go ahead and click the next button. So as you can see, so you can either press the next lesson or go over here to the product number 1 here. So this is the absolute profits business in a box with the right roadmap to start get results in no time. So this is a system that's gonna teach you how to launch a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. They're also going to teach you inside here the tactics to get traffic flowing with this unsaturated technique. They're going to reveal you top secret method for easy daily affiliate commissions in any niche. It doesn't require any prior affiliate marketing expertise or technical skills. So as you can see here, beginners are welcome to get access to this program. This is a never before taught strategy from you to advanced marketers and so much more. This is where you can go ahead and access the product here. Now if you go on to the next lesson, so you can either click on this or go to the product 2. So this is where you get access to the product 1. So let's go ahead and click on product 2, the gold standard by Dawood Islam and Arinzi Gold. So gold standard, this is totally newbie friendly method. You can earn while you learn. No putting your face on camera. So if you guys are into pretty much if you're not interested in putting your face on camera, then this program is for you. So actually this is good with people out there who are beginners and newbies. So if you are one of them, you can pretty much take advantage of this program here by getting access here. Now moving on to product number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next lesson. Here is the turbo traffic. So as you can see here, you're going to learn proven method of creating an automated traffic source that has made the creator of this program a list of 21,705 subscribers and buyers. Anybody can get started today. You can drive organic, referral, and social traffic. No prior experience needed. So if you're a beginner, newbie, now this program is great for you. You can copy and paste fast method in this program. You can get 20 minutes of work per day and so much more. This is where you can get access to the product of this turbo traffic. Now on to product number 4. So set forget traffic. Now I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is one of the product that I actually promoted a couple months ago, and it was a success. So pretty much set forget traffic, you can discover the secret underground traffic source that sends daily buyer traffic to any URL. You can target a 300 million active users database, 100% free traffic to any URL. You can method to monetize traffic in one go, permanent source that never runs dry, 100% beginner friendly, and so much more. Now again, this is where you can get access to this. Moving on to product number 5. So money magnets. So these are the money magnets that build passive income streams for us daily. Complete business in a box, 100% traffic training included inside, no monthly fees or expenses. So this is perfect for you because you just pretty much, this is part of the bundle and you don't have to pay extra fees or monthly fees or whatsoever. And so you can pretty much take advantage of this educated program here and then just watch throughout of this training here. Now also it's a zero tech skills, beginners, newbies can take advantage of this course and so much more. Now on to product number 6. Okay, so this is the monkey mailers from Dawood Islam and Paul Snelix. So this is building an email list. Pretty much is a vital for internet marketers, but it takes a lot of time. So this program would be good for you because most people who give up trying to make money online, if you're one of them, then pretty much this program is good for you because they can't afford to wait until they have built up a list. Now what if you could get access to thousands of email inboxes today, all for free, and send them to your offer, anything that you want. So access it here. You're going to be learning more about that in this program here. Now on to the product 7. So Puma products. Now basically this is launching your own products. That is actually very easy. the creator of this program, which is Dawood Islam, he launches 2 every single month instead of competing against other affiliate when you sell other people's products and have them competing instead to sell your products. Access over here for this program if you want to learn more about it. On to product number 8, Tiger's Traffic, free traffic to make you roar. So I really like that. So pretty much this product is all about traffic methods you're going to be learning inside of this program. So as you can see here, this is where you can get access to it. Now product number 9 is the Koger commissions. This is a complete breakdown of how to construct affiliate campaigns. It teaches everything from choosing offers, reviewing the product, adding custom bonuses, initial and follow-up emails, plus free traffic training inside of this course here. Now finally, product number 10, so Mukau Mula, 5 ways to milk your profits. I like that. Now, are you ready to find the cream? If you have never earned a cent online before, or if your income levels are not where you want them to be, then that is all about to change with this Mukau Mula. So here is where you can get access to this course, and this is the 10th product over here inside of this bundle. A lot of stuff that you're going to be learning inside of this course, because this is just not a course, but these are stuff, products that you can get in a bundle with this one-time low price. You can also get access to the bonuses here. So as you can see here, this is where you can access here for the bonus that you can check out here. Bonus number 2 is the affiliate mega link tracker. Affiliate marketing tools over here for bonus number 3, and bonus number 4 is the exclusive promo codes for 2022. So, and on top of that, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses as well, as my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. Here are the available upgrades here. So if you want to bring it up the notch, here is where you can get access to the upgrades once you're ready to upgrade your product of the 21 golden bundles. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up 21 golden bundle, this is going to go live on December 8th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here, right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes with my bonus page here. And then don't forget also to check out all the available bonuses here. Okay, so with my bonuses, they are actually free. Once you decide to pick up 21 golden bundle front end, they actually cost $12. Really not bad for the price of all the bundle. Only $12, just because it's the holiday season and we wanted to make you feel like you can go ahead and start learning all these programs that are available for you to start taking advantage of, because each of the programs is going to cost you a lot of money. But for this special holiday special, you're going to get this for $12 for this whole bundle of the 21 golden bundle. Now also, you can upgrade for your front-end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Right over here is where you can find the available upgrades information. If you want to read more into it, available onto my bonus page, go ahead and click the link down below and scroll down, and right over this section here is where you can take advantage and also read through the available upgrades of this program right over here. Now this is going to help you learn more, everything that you need to learn about affiliate marketing, online marketing, traffic, and so much more. So don't forget to go ahead and check out all the upgrades here available onto my bonus page. Once you click the link down below in this video, go ahead and check this out. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my 21 golden bundle review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase the 21 golden bundle at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys until my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.